This is a generic disk image, usually of a 1.44 Melon or by floppy disk. You can open it with WinImage or 7-zip to retrieve the files inside. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's extract the files. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming, and it features my favorite single IMA file, inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. An IMA file is a raw disk image, typically representing the exact binary copy of a floppy disk. It contains all the data and structure of the original disk, sector by sector. IMA files are used for archiving, distributing, or emulating floppy disks, preserving software, operating systems, or data stored on these older media formats. IMA files are simple containers, lacking compression or advanced features. They are direct representations of the floppy disk's physical layout. The file size directly corresponds to the capacity of the floppy disk it represents, e.g. 1 fortran for a standard high-density floppy. They are often used with disk imaging utilities or emulators. The operating system preferentially attempts to open IMA using any disk imaging software from Gilles Volant. The system gives a basic report but ignores the file's complex structure. Windows typically recognizes only surface-level details, so restoring or reading the image requires dedicated tools. Your reliable starting move is the Open With action. Right-click the IMA file and select Open With. If any disk imaging software is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. When your IMA file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. This format is tricky. Since the IMA file is so specific, let's confirm your environment. We need to verify these key details before fixing the error. First, use Drive Image. Open the file using a drive imaging application, e.g. WinImage, Daemon tools. Next, mount the image. Use the software's mount function to mount the image as a virtual drive. Finally, check integrity. If the file won't load, try re-downloading it or ask the sender for a fresh copy. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.